this video, I'll be showing you how you set up your backup on Viber. Simple and easy. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. To do that, let's just tap on the more here. You see the arrow on the screen, tap on that. Good. And now we move to our settings. And on here, we move to our account to do that. So here you can see Viber backup. Just tap on that here. Good. And you can see we need to connect a Google Drive, something like that. So we just tap on this here. Good. And you can see the mail has been added as a backup for our Viber. So we can turn on auto backup by just tapping on that, and then we turn it to daily, weekly, monthly, or something like that. So let's turn it off. And then our backup, we can select it using mobile data and then also Wi-Fi. And then we can include photos, videos, and the rest. So that's it on how you backup. So after that, you just tap on the backup now. Something like that. And then you are good to go. And if you want to restore to, let's say you have a Viber account and you want to restore your messages, you just move to this same procedure and you can see restore here. You just tap on the restore and the backup on that Gmail you added should appear on your Viber now. So that's it. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.